Good morning. I bought myself a tractor so I can clear my land. It is a used Kubota B6100, and I am going to make some forks, like a forklift, but it's a bucket fork, and I'm gonna make 4 of them so I can use them sort of as a brush fork, as well as a pallet forks, which I can take off and put on. So today, I'm going to show you how I did it for less than $1. No, I'm joking. I did it pretty cheap though, because I got the wood at the Home Depot in the back. In the back, they got a cart back there that's all like warp wood, which is okay with me. It's no big deal. Let me show you what I made out of some warp wood. Let me take you back here to our crazy backyard that's still a mess. I made that for the kids. We got rope climb, we got a big and a tire swing. Man, that swing looks so tired. So I made all that out of the Home Depot 70% off wood. Yes, I did. Did you? Yeah, I did. So there we go. I even made that little swing right there, and it'll hold the whole familia. It holds everybody. And that is my tractor. I got to do a lot of work around here. So that's my tractor right there. Yeah, man. It works something groovy. I love it. I love it. But you know, the thing is, I actually traded that for our RV. No more RV. Well, we're gonna do some traveling. We're actually traveling next week. I'm not gonna tell you where, because we're gonna show ya. But we're probably gonna do a van conversion for our camping needs, since our camping needs aren't as needy as they used to be. So, but for now, with no more RV, we saw it pull out. Brought a tear to my eye. It really did. I was like, you leaky old bastard. No, I didn't. It wasn't really leaky. It was good. And, but today, I'm going to build some forklifts. That's right. See you later. Who's this? Hello, Mr. Walden. What are you doing there with your kitty cat? Are you plotting to take over the world?
No.
Alright, so the way that I am planning on doing this is I'm going to build it out of these 4x4s. So I got these posts at the Home Depot, and they're about 8 foot long. So after I leave about a foot on the bucket side, it's only going to leave me about 3 foot of fork. 3 foot of fork. 3 foot of fork. There's 3 foot of fork. So, and I'm gonna plan on cutting them at an angle. So there's a slope at the bottom. Let's take a look here. So I'm gonna take this 4x4. I'm gonna cut it in half. See my line right there? I'm gonna cut it with the circular saw. I could bring out my chop saw, or my my miter saw, my radial arm saw, one of those saws. But I'm just going to do it roughly, and then I'm planning on starting probably a foot back, and I'm going to angle it like that. And so there's going to be 4 of them. So I could actually I'll probably make them a little longer. Maybe I'll make them like I'll take this line and pull it back to there, and that way I have 4 foot of fork. So 4 foot of fork and 1 foot on the bucket. And so, and then from here I will angle it. So that should be good, I think. I think that should be pretty good. Let me flip it. Let me use it. Hold it.
What are these lines for?
I don't know. Let's draw one. Oh, wow, that's such a nice angle. There we go.
Why you need it like around?
Because I'm using a circular saw. Hello? Have you got a booger up your nose? Here you go. Oh, go eat. Go eat first, okay? Here, film me. Come here. On this side. It's gonna be noisy. I did the foot thing, like that guy, where I ran. Here. Alright, so just, I'm gonna cut right through there. Now, I'm not sure if everybody's got these little holes in their bucket right here, but I've got them evenly spaced out. And that is what I'm going to attach my forklifts to. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Oh man! So, that's the finished forks. Well, not really finished. I found that I had a little bit of tilting side to side here, so I put this wood on there, and I actually made four of these, and I'm going to put something in the back. As you can see, I attached them with lag bolts. Yes, I did. So, yeah, man, it's one of the best forks I never ate with. Works pretty good. So, I'll probably go ahead and finish the other two and make them so I can attach. Right now I just take those bolts off and it's pretty, pretty easy, and I can go back to my normal bucket. I didn't have to drill any holes except in the wood, and I cut everything with a circular saw. So it's basically one tool, well, two, drill and circular saw. And I was able to build some forks, and they're coming pretty handy right now. So, they're pretty easy to build. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Well, I'm glad that you tuned in. I know my videos are pretty sporadic. They're pretty sporadic. My videos are sporadic. Sporadic. They're not very often, and they're not regular. That doesn't sound right, does it? I hate it when I'm not regular. But go ahead, thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Subscribe to this channel, because this channel is clean. All right, I'll see you later. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching our new video. Check out our old videos, leave a comment, and please subscribe. Share this on social media. We appreciate it. From your family, Madagazi, the Browns.